Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a team on Royal Match. To create a team in Royal Match, first of all, open up the Royal Match application on your mobile device. Once you're in the home page, tap on the team icon located at the bottom right corner. Inside the teams option, make sure that you select Create. Now, choose a team's logo, enter the team's name, enter a short description for your team, which is an optional, and right next to team type, select whether your team is open or closed. Under required level, choose the required level for players to join into your team. Also make sure to choose the crown that is required so that people can join into your team. And finally, click on the create button at the bottom. To create a team, you'll need to spend 100 coins. Now you have your team ready. You can now invite friends. Now you have successfully created a team. Once people start joining into your team, you will be ready to create a strong competitive team and dominate the leaderboards in Royal Match. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.